that's been in the news in Orissa. Meanwhile, the 50,000 crore mine scam that's been in the news in Orissa for the last 3 months has taken a new turn after the Supreme Court asked its centrally empowered committee to inquire into allegations that large-scale illegal mining has been going on in the state for the last 10 years with the active connivance of the state government and its political bosses.
Mineral-rich Odisha, in the shadow of perhaps one of its biggest mining scams, worth 50,000 crore. Now, a probe ordered by the Supreme Court into alleged illegal mining in this belt, particularly Keonjhar, Sundargarh and Mayurbhanj districts adjoining Jharkhand. This petition in the Supreme Court claims of the 300 major mines in this belt, leases of 155 have expired for years now, some as early as the year 2000. Yet, plunder of the mines continues. Among the biggest defaulters, who's who of the mining industry, including the state government-run Odisha Mining Corporation.
Take any of the mineral-rich states, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra or Karnataka. Mining money has always been inextricably linked to power play and politics in that region. No wonder then, in Odisha, the petitioners found illegal mining money was used in a big way during the last general elections.
Suddenly, the election expenditure in Odisha by candidates have gone tenfold. Where from this money came? When we inquired, we found that all this money have come from the mines. It is the biggest scam in independent India. Nothing less than 50,000 crores, more than 50,000 crores.
The Supreme Court has asked its centrally empowered committee to inquire into the allegations and report within 6 weeks. As if on cue, the state has suspended 482 mineral trading licenses and stopped mining in 64 mines, charging them with illegal operations.
The huge workload, huge mines operation to control these, all in a sudden it came. So the administration is not in a position to tackle all these situations.
The state that tops the poverty charts did too little to stop the plunder. Now, the damage control exercise appears to have come a little too late. In Bhubaneswar, with Sabyasachi Panigrahi, Sampad Mahapatra for NDTV.
Cuba.com अपने भारत का टूर